Ka election Lok Sabha Hajla Meghalaya Kelasaki ya ke jingyami renti jongki ba banya tap vote patkat hadu kapor san bajejan min ke jingye poi tap vote kibriu kala jankot sha ka nyopo percent katkum ke jing ai jingkhen ketanat election ka jilla ke jing poi tap vote ha baro nrupo teli ki assembly constituency ka jilla hadu kapor san bajejan min kakot ya kan riu khandai point khandai phoi percent Hashlong kibala poi ban pendep ya kajing tep wood kalakot sha nyopo point percent katba hatura kalakot ya kan rup kendai point lai pawai percent.
Happy to inform you that elections for 18th Lok Sabha is being completed very peacefully and election has been conducted very smoothly. So till 5 p.m. whatever tentative report which is yet to be finalized, and there were number of people still in queue. So the figure is 69.91% overall voting, in which Silang PC having 70.26% polling and Tura having 69.31% altogether. So assembly segment wise report will be shared in the media group for your information. In each and every district, polling parties has reached safely and no incident anywhere, and all the elections happen in very peaceful and very festive manner. In respect to the machines are concerned, so during mock poll, there were few machines uh, have been replaced. So total 26 number of BU, 32 number of CU, and 64 number of VPPATs been replaced during the mock poll, and during the polling time the total replacement of BU is 21, CU 22, and VVPATs 55. So all together, including mock poll and polling, total 47 BUs, 54 CUs, and 109 VVPAT got replaced. And all replacement happened well within time. So everywhere there is no law and order problem, no any other incident, and all the election held very peacefully. There was a webcasting in 1886 polling station, so that has been monitored properly, entire polling process, and so far we have not received any violence or any such incident. So today's polling is gone very well, and we were yet to get the final figure when the presiding officer's diary and all the tally will be completed. So final figures will be communicated accordingly to all the media person subsequently. So thank you all of you for all your cooperation, support, and as teamwork, so we become able to conduct these elections very smoothly and peacefully. Thank you.